Hola amigos, my name is Josie Gonzalez at Tropicasa Realty. We are now at Vista Mismaloya in Mismaloya town. This is where you have a beautiful combination of the jungle, close to the river, and walking distance to the beach. This is a boutique building with only 6 units, 1 condo per level, which make it very, very special. With only high-end finishes, low maintenance, and beautiful. This condo has 2 different entrances, one with a stairway and the other one direct from the elevator. This is a fully equipped kitchen. It has everything you need. All cabinetries are solid Primavera wood, granite countertops, and a lovely view to the mountain. It comes fully furnished, as you can see. At the 6th level, you will find this beautiful rooftop terrace. Take a look, it's beautiful. If you wish to set up an appointment, please give me a call or send me an email. I'll be very happy to assist you.